Hi, this is Obi, and the chapter I did was chapter 10, environmental health. So, environmental health is basically a set of public health efforts that is concerned with preventing diseases, death, and disability by reducing exposure to environmental condition and promoting behavior change. So the first thing we'll talk about is the importance of environmental health. There are major risk factors in global burden disease that is related to environmental health issues. This includes unsafe water, exposure to toxic substance, poor ventilation, smoke, and poor drainage and air pollution. Some of these stuff are found in your household, like the unsafe water or the poor ventilation, smoke. These all contribute to environmental health pollution, or like the reason why there's environmental diseases in the air that affects people. The next thing I want to talk about is environmental health burdens. These are just the burdens of diseases from these conditions. So, household air pollution can be caused by fossil fuel, coal, biomass, fuels, and that could be basically just from like cooking or heating. So, like when we cook and heat, we use fuel to do that, and that could affect the environmental health, and which can also produce poisoning. And because of that, about 3.5 million deaths were contributed to household pollution. About 3.1 million deaths were contributed to air pollution. About 0.3 million deaths were from unimproved water and sanitation. So that basically means not clean water or proper hygiene for people to use to take care of themselves, to shower, or to like drink. And because of that, there has been consequences and costs of it. And women, because of air pollution for women, it has a high death in women and disability of chronic illness. So it seems like the woman suffers more from environmental health, but young children as well are affected, and young children could get an infection and have malnutrition, which can slow down the growth and the development of their body. Household air pollution can also lead to cycle of illness and respiratory infection, deaths or disability from asthma. The thing about this, there's things that we could do to reduce the burden of these diseases because of environmental health issues. Some cities has took measures to reduce pollution by doing examination on how it happens. So some could be how it was being dispersed, the health impact of reduction in particulate matters, time and cost, information reduction, health benefits. So these are just some examples on how cities have took measures in relation to the air pollution. But for example, the NCBC, they talked about ways to make better solutions by having better water supplies and clean water and sanitation. So overall, environmental health has been an effect to the air, which can cause diseases. But if we improve the water, sanitation, and pollution, then definitely there could be a change.